Hazrat Imam Muhammad bin Sirin says, I enjoyed the pleasure of sitting in the meeting comprising the holy elders amongst the Ansar and Hazrat Abdul Rahman bin Abi Layla radiyallahu anhu. I narrated there that report of Hazrat Abdullah bin Utaba, which was about Hazrat Sobiya, the daughter of Haris. Hazrat Abdul Rahman whereupon said, his uncle Hazrat Abdullah bin Masud radiyallahu anhu does not agree with it. I then said aloud, then I am daring a fixed falsehood to the one who is living in Kufa. Hazrat Abdullah bin Utaba, I thereafter came out. There I came across Malik bin Amir or Malik bin Auf. So I inquired of him what is the opinion of Hazrat Abdullah bin Masud radiyallahu anhu about the deceased who has left a pregnant wife. The reporter says that Hazrat Abdullah bin Masud radiyallahu anhu said, you deal a pregnant woman strictly and do not keep facility for her in view. The shorter chapter Nisa, containing the command that the prescribed waiting period of a pregnant woman is when she gives birth, was revealed after the longer chapter Baqarah. Ayyub says, when I met Imam Muhammad bin Sirin, he said, I met Abu Atiyah Malik bin Amir. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 4532.